Chichay. This is Zoe and this is my sister Janice. So today we are now in Boulevard. We're gonna go for a walk and we're gonna have some street food later, tempura, and we're gonna show you the Boulevard extension, or people may call it the new Dumaguete Boulevard. So come along with us as we go for a walk. And oh, look who's here. Wait. Hi! Are you Lynn?
Yeah.
Are you Ned's ex-girlfriend?
Ned, the chick boy?
Oh, he's a chick boy?
Yeah, every girl here in Dumaguete is Ned's ex-girlfriend.
Oh, okay. Okay. So, we are not a very good actors.
Trying to.
We are actually planning this, so it's been a year, right? That you never been since you visited Dumaguete. So since she's here, I asked him or ask her him. So I invited her for a walk here down the boulevard, and we're gonna go and have some tempura later.
Yeah.
And balut. So let's go. So it's a little bit cloudy day. Not a little bit, it's really a cloudy day this afternoon, and it rained a little too earlier. Look, the water is so clear today too. So I know that everybody might say that it's kind of weird having the wife and the ex-girlfriend hanging out together, but I think there's no problem with that. Say hi to Tita Lynn. Say hi, Zoe. I don't know her. Hello.
We're cousins. I told you mommy why. We're cousins. Yeah?
Your cousins?
Yeah. But I'm not gonna say it why.
So yeah, people might say that it's kind of weird that the ex-girlfriend and the wife are hanging out together, but I think there's no problem with it, because whatever happened with them in the past will stay in the past. And of course, I know that people will say that I'm so insensitive because I'm hanging out with next ex-girlfriend. But before I go out with Lynn, I of course asked Ned if it's okay to meet one of his ex. So, and he said that there's no problem with it. He's now holding Zoe. I think he said that there's no problem with it. And they're also friends, so why not? So right now we're almost in the Boulevard extension, or the new Dumaguete Boulevard. So we're gonna go and have some tempura before we go for a walk. So let's go. Zoe, newest yaya.
Yeah. How much per month?
You're gonna ask Ned.
And what's the
qualifications? Zoe,
I got swab test, so
you're qualified.
Yeah.
You're sexy. You're qualified. Hi Zoe. Hello Tita Lynn. Say hi to Tita Lynn. Hello. Oh, boobie. I can see your boobie. Is there a milk there? Is there a milk? Hi. Zoe Cam. Zoe Cam. Hello. So today is girls' day out. Afternoon out. Afternoon out. Right, Zoe Boo? Hi. So we're done with our tempura. So we're going for a walk now. Zoe is not going with us because it's a little raining. So yeah, just me and Lynn. So let's go. So here are the vendors for balut and tempura. This is where the kids are playing. Hi, beautiful. But no one is here right now because yeah, it's raining and maybe the kids are busy doing their homeworks. Over there is where they're doing their Zumba, but I don't know if they will do it right now.
Yeah, I can do it.
Go Lin.
Oh, see?
Buang.
I can do it. Wow.
Wah, TikTok, TikTok. Wah.
Wala akong jowa.
She said she don't have a boyfriend.
Hi, teacher.
Your future is still on lockdown.
Are you watching right now my picture? I'm here.
Pabuang. So over there is also where you can massage. I think they're doing whole body massage there too. Are they the blind people or no? Just regular people. So the kids are ready for hi. Hi. They will play volleyball. They're ready. So here they're still putting sand and they're starting putting lights here too. I like this kind of lights. I think they will also put another extend. They will still gonna extend over there. Water is not clear here. And there is Sikihor. That's Sikihor, right?
Yeah.
Sikihor.
And the polog is over there.
The polog is over there. Where Lynn home is.
Where's the beautiful ladies at?
And here they're starting putting the grass. So the other side is already done, but here they're still putting the grass. And my beautiful daughter is there, Zoe! Because it's not raining, the sun is out and the monster is out too. Hello! What you doing? Hi!
I'm looking for my mommy.
Oh, you're looking for me? Hello, Zoe Cam! Boo 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 boo! Where's Tita Lynn? Where's your Auntie Lynn or Tita Lynn? Hi! Say hi! Eee, show your teeth! Your sharp teeth! Wow! Oh, Mayor! The Mayor of Dumaguete is here right now checking the progress of the new Dumaguete Boulevard. And they are doing very well. They already putting the lights, but there no paint yet. But I can say that they're doing very well. So Mayor is over there, and we're not gonna go there anymore. So yep, this is the Dumaguete new Boulevard. Okay, Zoe, say bye. Bye. Where's your daddy? Daddy's not here. Daddy. Wah. Wah, wah, wah. Okay, so that's the end of our vlog. I hope you enjoyed this video. This is Chichay, Janet, baby Zoe, and Rian. Last but not least. So see you all next time. Bye bye. Hello everyone. So today we're in Boulevard and Ned is not here. I do what? Look who's here. Hi. Are you Lynn?
Yeah?
Are you Ned's ex-girlfriend, right?
Ned? Yeah. How you know him?
He's my husband. We will not Again.
Hey, if you consider our work to be of any value, consider supporting us on Patreon. If you're a Patreon, you get a free copy of my ebook, and we do monthly Google Hangouts. So consider doing that, if you would please.